So many friends message me, ask me to clarify or define what I mean by 1848 Redboat era Wing Chun Kuen data point. The reason is that they have heard so many different view on this 1848 Redboat era Wing Chun Kuen. Okay, so today I would like to share with you what do I exactly mean by 1848 Redboat era Wing Chun Kuen data point. Okay, first, when I said 1848 Redboat era Wing Chun Kuen data point, I mean exactly as it is, the Yit Kam Siu Lim Tao Quid and the Yit Kam Siu Lim Tao sets. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so it is not any speculations or thinking or belief or guessing. What I believe, what I think, or what I guess, it doesn't matter, or what I speculate doesn't matter. That has nothing to do with this 1848 Redboat era Wing Chun Kuen data point. This 1848 Redboat era Wing Chun Kuen data point based on the Yit Kam Siu Lim Tao Quid and the sets which is passed down from Yit Kam, the Redboat opera actor himself, to Chow family up to today. That is what it is. Okay? And the second thing is that we need to know is Wing Chun Kuen is Wing Chun Kuen. Wing Chun is not Mei, Wing Chun is not Fujian White Crane. As it said, Wing Chun is a fusion of Mei and Fujian White Crane in this 1848 Redboat era Wing Chun Kuen data point based on the Yit Kam Siu Lim Tao Quid. And I want to clarify one thing too. I'm saying this is belong to the Yit Kam Siu Lim Tao. Others Wing Chun Kuen evolutions or other thing might exist in the 1848 Redboat era about Wing Chun Kuen, which I don't know. I do not speak for that. I speak when I say here Wing Chun Kuen is Wing Chun Kuen. Wing Chun Kuen is not Mei, it's not Fujian White Crane, but a fusion. That is point directly to this Yit Kam Siu Lim Tao Quid and the set as it is. Okay, so I do not speak for any other people. Okay. The third thing is the Redboat Wing Chun Kuen data point is definitely not a modern creation with Tai Chi, Shuai Jiao, or other arts. As I speak about it in the point 1, it is as it is. What we see, we describe what it is. We report what it is. We are not creating anything new at all. Okay? As we know, as addressed in the 6 core element of the 1848 Siu Lim Tao data point or in the Kuen Quid, the whole thing is very specifically well defined. The philosophy, the platform, and the basic building block of what the 1848 Siu Lim Tao is well defined there. So it is not today's definitions or mixing some Tai Chi or mixing some Shuai Jiao or mixing some other arts to make it that way. It is not. It is what it is as it is. We just report it and describe it as it is. And for me, one must not create one's own mix of Tai Chi and other art and call it 1848 Wing Chun Kuen, because that is just one's own creations. So if it is the creations, if my creation, I call it my creations. Okay, and I shouldn't call it it's 1848. That's why when people talk to me, when it referred to the 1848 Wing Chun Kuen, I will just sharing whatever belongs to this 1848 Wing Chun Queen. Not other things, not something I guess, I think, I believe, or I speculate. We just report to you saying that, okay, this is the Yit Gam Siu Lim Tao Queen Kit we have, this is the sets, this is how we know about it. So can I be 100% correct? Obviously not, because I'm not living in 1848. But I'm going to share with you whatever it is we know today, the best we know today by evidence and by facts. That's what we are sharing, okay? And also, this is not claimed to be the oldest, the first one, or the most authentic, those kind of stuff. You know, I myself do not like to get into those terms because I really don't know what those mean. What I care is the technology. Are we telling or describing it as it is? Do we know what it is and describe it as it is? That is the focus, okay? That's the goal. Okay. So why is that knowing the mother arts of Yit Gam Siu Lim Tao is critical? Well, because in order to fully understand the Yit Gam Siu Lim Tao Queen Quit and perform the set properly to a large degree and get result, okay, one need to exactly understand what is going on. It is a technology. One cannot just guessing, speculate, and adding one's opinion in. The technology is something is well designed, okay, and we need to have the operating manual, follow the instructions to operate it, instead of everybody throwing their 5 cents and thinking this way or that way. This is not for free open discussion. It is what it is. So, for example, one needs to know the Apple iOS to be able to decode and know clearly what the iPhone app software is doing. If one want to understand the iPhone app software or the how to write it and so forth, one better know the Apple iOS. You know, one cannot just substitute in Android or something else and thinking, well, I guess this way, I get this way. The bottom line of technology is that does it work? Does it produce result as it claims? If this is not, then one is in trouble. So your opinion is as good as my opinion. If it is just opinion, and we don't know whether it works or not. But if we know the mother arts, we clearly know what's going on inside there. Like this, we know the Apple iOS when we're dealing with the Apple software. We know exactly what it is. Otherwise, we really don't know, and we do not know where we go even. So guessing job is only good for for theoretical discussion and so forth. But will it going anywhere? Well, I have questions. Okay, so anyone's opinion doesn't contribute to actually fully activate the technology of the Yit Gam Siu Lim Tao development, because they're just an opinion. It's just like if you buy a new iPhone and you ask me, who I don't even know about iPhone, and I give you a whole bunch of opinions and speculation and guessing, what good is that? It's not going to help you to turn on your iPhone. Maybe I even get you stuck because I don't even know what it is. Okay, so that's why it is very critical to know the mother arts. We know what it is. What is the iOS? It is Apple iOS or it is Android. Otherwise, we just go nowhere. Okay, speaking of this, now I want to share with you a few white crane technology and Ermey technology. So let you guys have a feeling of what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay. Fujian white crane technology 1. The first thing is Centerline. Okay. This is, if you read Chinese, This is at the chisel or the or the push hand or the chisel of the white crane. Centerline is the key here. So here you say that white crane Fujian, the key is the centerline, okay, and even at the attack is a centerline. Okay, this type of chisel is the same with the type of chisel as this one in the Yikam Chou family lineage. This type of chisel, and we can see in other older lineages such as Yun Kui San lineage have this type of chisel too. Okay, so those are the white crane technology. You have a center line, you have this type of chisel, and you protect the center line or guard the center line, and you attack the center line. That is the Fujian white crane technology. Okay, so this is the Fujian. We know this type of technology is Fujian type. The second Fujian white crane technology I'd like to talk about is the power generations. Okay, the power generation. Usually we see this type of power generations. Okay, so as explained here, Fujian's the white crane power generation is using shaking, okay, or shaking type of power generations. The limbs shake, the body shake, okay, those type, okay. So over here it said that the shake is not for good looking, but the shake is you lose the body and shake. So as in here, from here to here, you see that it shake up. That we can usually see this from YouTube and from different demo, that this kind of shake, snap type of stuff, vibrate type of stuff. And I call this is type of thing is I use a term called fanning. It's like when you fan some wind, those type of stuff. So if we look at it, how they handle the 7 bolts in white crane is actually shaking and fanning type of stuff. Okay, so this is the characteristics of the Fujian white crane power generations technology, how they handle the 7 bolts. Okay, and we need to know that it is a shaking type of technology. Okay, so okay. The next one is, we do know the Zhaoyang technology of white crane Fujian, the Zhaoyang hand. This is the statues of the Fang Qiniang in Fujian today, okay, in the headquarters. And we know this is a Zhaoyang hand, okay, this type of techniques, this types of hand type. And we know this Wing Chun type of hand, depend how you call that, Zhong Sao or different name. All of this, it is the Zhaoyang based type of stuff. And actually, this is the term Zhaoyang is explicitly listed or written down in the Yikam Shirun Tao Kit. And not even that it's just Zhaoyang, it actually explicitly describe it as Dan Zhaoyang or single Zhaoyang. This is a single Zhaoyang. In the white crane, there's a single hand Zhaoyang and double hand Zhaoyang, which they call single Zhaoyang or double Zhaoyang. And in the Yikam Shirun Tao Kit, it specifically said single Zhaoyang. Okay. And even it said that erect palm, bend elbow, single Zhaoyang. It's very specifically said. So we know this is Fujian technology. Okay, based on the